Today I have something very useful to show you because you were commenting on this video and I realized that I should be showing you more on the techniques we use here at the Phone is How To with producing videos. So in this video I showed you this one right here, that is a new video idea bat file, and if I click on here and I enter a name, for example the name of this video, which is this one, I'm just gonna copy it and paste it right here. After clicking on OK or enter, it will go to my recording folder itself. You can see that right here. This is how I automated my YouTube video folders, which is pretty useful because I can automate this whole process. So today I'm going to show you how to get this very easily. The first thing we need is to go to the Phonus website, and on this website you will see the download tab right here, or just go to the link in the description. It will take you to this one. This is how I automated my YouTube video folders. So if you click on this one from the downloads tab, you should easily come here, and here you have the link to the Google Drive folder I've prepared for you guys. So right here is the bat file, and right here is the VBS file. And the VBS file is the pop-up window and the bat file is the executable. So if I download both of these, which it is doing right now, this is of course a compressed file. So let's uncompress it right here. After doing that, you will get both of these files very easily on your system. So you can easily get started with the technique I'm using. And of course, how it works is that I have a preset, and this is the reason why I can create these videos. So here in my folder, this one will actually activate a script. It will take this pop-up window and it will copy this video called new video folder. So if I copy and paste this one to the desktop, I can actually show you an example. So right here we have the folder. In the folder, make sure everything is prepared. The name of the folder doesn't really matter. That's your own preference, but everything in here you should make as best as you can. For example, I have a thumbnail preset, which is easier to edit, new thumbnails, the description template I have in every single video. You can easily edit it here and then paste it in later. And a project folder where I can easily dump all of your Premiere Pro files just in seconds. So after doing this, it will actually create the whole folder for a whole new YouTube video. But to of course do this, so let's cut right to the video itself. We need these two files. These two files are going to execute it. So what I'm going to do is grab my VS Code, which there's a chance that you don't have it. It doesn't matter. You can easily right click on a bat file. For example, one I've given you guys. Go to more options and then edit it right here. Make sure you click on run and then it will open in Notepad. You can also do this for the VBS file. If you drag it or open it in Notepad, you can easily see you can open it. And the script here is pretty simple. Dimension, so video name. Video name is gonna get an input box. Hey, what's the video name? So that's going to be the video name. And eventually it just echoes that to the bat file. And the bat file, of course, starts up. It checks the paths. For example, the source folder. Oh my god. This is the reason why I never use Notepad. I just don't understand. I dragged my mouse and disappeared. So right here I have it in my VS Code, which is the same as Notepad. It just looks a lot better and is easier with scripting. So right here we have the source folder. The source folder is the folder you're going to need to copy and paste, so duplicate. Right here we have the folder. Right click on it and hold down shift. After doing this, go to properties and you will easily see the location of it right here. But that's the location, that's not the directory, so not the folder itself yet. So what we can do is here it already says, here you have the path. For example, with me it's called new folder. So if I paste my path right here, you can see that it's on the desktop, and then we need to do new video. I'm pretty sure spaces is fine. Yeah, here are also spaces. So by the way, I did use ChatGPT for this, but I can read it for you guys. This is the reason why I put down edit these. So you only have to edit these three. So the source folder is of course where it comes from. That's this one. You can also check this by shift and then right clicking on the desktop and then doing, for example, PowerShell. After doing this, you can do CD, if I'm sure in PowerShell, maybe it's only CMD, but right here, it's better if you open CMD because CD works a lot easier here. So CD and then, for example, and then the directory, for example, in here, you can easily see that it goes to the desktop. And then if I press tab, you can see that it selects new video and you have it exactly right here. Don't use the quotations and then Control C, and after doing this, you can do Control V here. And you have now the directory. So let's say you want to get the folder where you want to get the new videos. For example, folder new videos. You can easily go to destination path, and for me, it's exactly the same as the desktop. So I can put it down here and then change this one to the same name, which is folder new videos. So the source folder will copy it here. And then the question is, where is your VBS pop-up script? So this one is pretty important because without pop-up, you can't enter a new name, which is what we want. So what I'm going to do, you could drag it to the desktop, but because I have it open in VS Code, I'm gonna leave it here. But it's the same thing, just copy the path itself. For me, it's the downloads folder. You can easily paste it right here. Then make sure you have the correct name, including the file extension. And if you can't see it, it is definitely VBS, but I have a great tip. Go to View, go to Show, and now my own screen is in the way, hold on. And then do file name extensions in Show within View. And if you enable this, you can easily see the file extension name and then copy this. So let's do that right here. After doing that, copy and paste it here. And after doing that, your script should be complete. So what we can actually do is run it very easily by double clicking on this bat file. So let's see what's going to do. It's going to run and we're going to need to give a new name. So for example, video new out. 2025, doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna paste it right here. I'm just gonna press enter. And after doing this, the video is now here in this folder very easily. So to summarize it, you can download these two files from our own website and it's also in the description. Just download these two. After that, you can right click on it, go to more options and then edit it inside of Notepad. You can easily do it here. It's the same as my VS Code. Also here with VBS, open with, and then Notepad, just like that. And after doing this, well, VBS, don't touch VBS. It should be fine. There's really nothing here you should be changing. And after doing that, you just have to make sure you have the correct source. So that's where it's coming from. Then the destination, where is this folder going, where I'm going to put it inside of. And then the VBS pop-up script. And after doing this, it will completely work. So if I want to make a new video, for example, the date I have today, there you go. It's a little bit small, but if I press on OK or just enter, it will easily copy it to this new folder. I'm trying to explain it as best as I can, but if you have any more questions, don't feel shy asking more below. We are happy to help you, and we also have promotions that ensure that this company can grow and we can really help you the best as we can. This is of course with more people, more creativity. If you have any more ideas or things we should do, just let it know down below or in the Reddit community. We also have a Discord community, by the way, and it's all found under the phonus.nl website. I want to thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.